Hello guys, welcome to A to Z Guru. I wanna tell you sorry after long time I'm making this video. Actually due to personal issue I was not coming online and I was not making any tutorial over there. But from now I'll continue. I'll make continue videos and I request one more thing. As you all know, we are suffering, our country or our world is suffering from COVID-19. So be safe, be careful, and just stay at home. Whatever instruction, whatever direction given by our government, just follow it. Don't go outside for unnecessary work. Actually, if you want, you have so many work for everyday life, but just make it priority which work is necessary. So if that work is necessary, so just go outside and as soon as possible finish your work and back to your home and sanitize yourself. Just stay at home, not for yourself only, for your family, for your child, for your parent, and for society also. So be careful, guy. So I'm going to start jQuery tutorial, and today I will cover jQuery remove class method. So what is jQuery remove class method? By using that we can remove a class. You know already CSS. So in CSS we are making a class. By that we are giving style of particular element, div, paragraph, heading, etc. So coming to the practical session, uh, this is a program which I made. Like if you'll see, yeah, initially heading is red, second heading is also red. So whenever I am going to click this button, it's going to color is going to disappear. Color is nothing but a class which I used in heading 1, heading 2 and paragraph 1. So I'll explain in practical session in program. So see what is happening. I think it's clear now. Yeah. So this is a CDN library, jQuery library, which I am including here, and here I am making a style for this heading 2 and this paragraph. So this is nothing but a class. Dot is representing the class and hash will represent the ID. So here I am taking color red. So here I am using class red, class red, class red, and by on click event, if you will see here I took one button. So same here I am taking on click event on button. So whenever user will click a button, then H1, S2, P means paragraph. In that element I am using remove class method. Okay, and if you will see here, I kept class name. Okay, suppose you are taking here XYZ, so you have to put XYZ over here. Okay, so like that you can rename it. uh, See, here I am using H1, so here H1, here S2, here S2, here P, here P, and class, all class has red, and here I am not using any class. So due to that, what is happening? See, initially H1, since I used class red, S2 I used class red, and paragraph also I used class red. Here I didn't use. See, so that's why it's coming normally. Whenever I am clicking this button, all are going to disappear. Okay, means it's removing that particular class. Okay, I hope guys you all are clear with remove class method in jQuery. So but still if you have doubt, then please write it in comment section. For sure I'll clear your doubt, and whatever question if you will arise in HTML, CSS, jQuery, JavaScript, you can ask me in comment section. And please guys subscribe my channel, by which you can get video update, and like this video, and if possible please share this video. Okay guys, thanks.